Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Windows. First, let's ensure your computer is ready. You'll need a PC running Windows 10 or 11, an Intel Core i3 processor at 3.3 GHz, 8 GB of RAM, and an Intel HD 4000 graphics card. Next, you'll download the Epic Games Launcher, which is the platform for Fortnite. Finally, create a free Epic Games account or simply log in if you already have one. Once the Epic Games Launcher is installed and you are logged in, open it up. Head over to the Store tab, then use the search bar to find Fortnite. Click on the game tile, and you'll see an option to get or install it. Choose your installation directory, typically the default is fine, and then click Install. The game file size is approximately 26 gigabytes, so it might take a little while to download depending on your internet speed. Fortnite offers several exciting game modes, including the classic Battle Royale and the combat-focused Zero build. Once in a match, you'll use WASD keys to move, the spacebar to jump, and your left mouse button to shoot. The right mouse button is for aiming. In Battle Royale, Q switches to building mode, allowing you to construct walls, floors, and stairs using collected materials. Experiment with these controls to find what feels most comfortable for you. For new players, here are some quick tips to get you started. Try landing in quieter areas of the map to loot up without immediate pressure. Always prioritize gathering weapons, shield potions, and building materials as soon as you land. Using a good pair of headphones is crucial. Sound cues like enemy footsteps or distant gunfire can give you a significant advantage. Remember to stay on the move and practice your building skills in creative mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.